All right. Tonight, it's January 4, and I received this one from Amazon. I ordered it before Christmas, but it was never delivered before Christmas. So, and I just got it tonight. And I know what it is. And let's see how it looks like. And of course, I want to open. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Goodness, it's broken, it's damaged right here. It's damaged. Does it look like it's been opened? It looks like it's been opened. Yeah, there's a lot of damage right here. Yes, right here. Too many damage. So I'm just gonna return it. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yes. So, and this one looks like it might have been returned because it's moving, the parts are moving. So there you have it. I will return it. Sad. Okay, bye.